In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can rearrange products within a Woocommerce category. So basically you can drag all your best products to the top and show them to your visitors first. This will also work, of course, with a WooZone powered site as that plugs into Woocommerce too. So let's go. So this is beershirts.co.uk. It's one of my Amazon affiliate websites that's running WooZone and WooCommerce. If you'd like to make a site just like this, then I have a tutorial on how I made this site from start to finish. I'll put a link up in a card now and in the description. But anyway, let's crack on. I don't want this video to be long because it doesn't need to be. It's really quick what we're going to do. So let's just have a look at one of our categories. This one will do. So we've got some t-shirts. So say I wanted to, rearrange this and put some of these products towards the top. I need to go into the dashboard, go to the categories section under products, and it's the beer t-shirts one. I then need to click on the product count over here. And here's our products. Then in order to reorder them, I come up here and click on sorting. And now I can just simply kind of drag and drop them. So say, for example, I wanted to move this a day without beer. I just grab hold of it, drag it up, put it at the top. I want this one as the next one. I can just drag it up to there even. I want to move this down. That's fine. Just drag it down. And that should be done. So, simple as that. Let's just have a look on the front of the site just to make sure that it has worked. There we go, you see? The same. We could put this blue one first if we wanted, like that. Oh, he says, drag and drop, like that. Let's have a look. There we go. Simple as that. That was pretty straightforward, wasn't it? If you're not already subscribed, please do click on the little eagle up there. Click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Here is another video. If you fancy watching something else, it's chosen specially for you. And here is my other channel. It's quite interesting. Go check it out. Until next time, bye for now.